Good evening everybody. This is Harpreet as a maths teacher. Dear students, I hope you all are good and fine and completed the previous one work as we have completed 9th chapter of class 10th maths. Today we will start the new chapter, that is the 6th chapter as a triangles. To discuss about this one chapter, firstly I want to discuss with you about the congruency. In the congruency we have discussed into the previous class already, that is if the two figures are into the same shape and same size, then we call them as a congruent figures. Okay, for example, into the particularly into the triangles. For example, I have drawn a triangle. Here is a ABC and another triangle as DEF. I am taking the measurement. Here is 2.5 and here is the 3 centimeter. Similarly on the other hand side also, and then these two figures are into the same shape and into the same size, then we will call them as a congruent. In this chapter we will discuss about the similar figures. Now what are the similar figures? For the similarity, there must be as same shape, but there not need to be same size. For example, if I will take the two equilateral triangles, here are the one triangle is ABC with the all sides are equal, another triangle as DEF. Both are the equilateral triangle but into the different measurement, then we will call them as a similar triangle. And similarly, if I will take the two circles of the different radius, then we will call them as similar shapes. Okay, similar figures also we can call. So we can conclude here about the congruency and the similarity. Okay, so we conclude here about the congruent figures are similar, but the similar figures not to be congruent because they are not into the same size. That's why we can say here similar figures need not to be congruent. Okay, so here we will discuss about the similarity of the figures, more about them. Let us discuss here as for the two equilateral triangle, as we discussed, two circles we discussed, if we will discuss about the squares, two different size are there for the squares, but these are the similar, we can say here, and but not to be congruent. Okay, for need about for the similarity, if we will discuss about the here as two quadrilaterals ABCD. Here is a one quadrilateral and another quadrilateral I am taking here as a PQRS. Can we say these two quadrilateral or the any another polygon if we will take, can we say these are the similar or not? So to discuss about more about the similarity, there must be some definition or the rules. So those rules are here. So first rule is two figures are said to be, if there are the two figures, any two polygons, there must be the two rules. First rule is their angles are same. Second point is their corresponding sides are in same proportion, or we can say into the same ratio also. Okay, for example, if I will take the example here, the any quadrilateral having the measurement like as here is I am taking ABCD is a quadrilateral where angle 1 is 120, here I am taking suppose here is 100, here is a 60 degree and this one is a 80 degree. Okay, another hand side, if I will take the same diagram, same shape but into the different sides, obviously we can see here as P, Q, R, S with the angle measurement same. Suppose here is as 1 centimeter, here is a 2, then here I am taking as a 3 centimeter, here is a 2.5. Corresponding side must be into the same proportion or ratio. Here is a small size and bigger one size. One here is to be, I am taking 2 centimeter. 2 correspond to the 4, double of it. 3 here will be the 6 centimeter and here will be the 5 centimeter. If I will take the each and every corresponding side as AB 2, then PQ 1. Here is a 4, here is a half of it. Here is a 6 CD and half of it SR as a 3. And DA is a 5, half of it is a as 2.5. So there are the angles are same and into the sides are into the same ratio or same proportion. Okay dear students, now we will discuss more about it, about the similarity. Into the common life also we will discuss, as if the any photographer we will go and he is making for the same photo into the different size, as a passport size, as the largest size, then those same photos are into the same shape but into the different size. So we can conclude them into the also similar way. Okay. So here we have, if I will draw the two shapes, suppose here I am taking as a one as square with each side as a 3 centimeter. Another end side, here is a all the angles are equal. So here I am taking ABCD as a name. Here will be the PQRS. Two figures I have taken ABCD and PQRS, in which all angles are equal but all the sides are not into the same proportion. So we can write here ABC and PQ are not into the similar. Okay. Similarly, if I will take the another one, for example, I am taking a square here with the each side as a 3 centimeter and another end side as a, here is a rhombus. Here is a square ABCD. Okay, and PQRS is a rhombus with all sides are equal, with the corresponding side here is 6 centimeter each. So here all the angles are not equal, so we can conclude here into the above side these are angles are equal but sides are not into the same proportion. So we can say here these are not into the similar way. And into the same part, as a second part here, we can say angles are not equal but ratio sides are into the same proportion but angles are not equal. So also these are not similar. Okay. So similarity means there must be angles equal, there must be all sides are into the same proportion. Okay. Oh, okay students, now if you have any query then you can discuss into the Zoom session. Okay, thank you.